One, good night. You know, say me I call up and I think though, all the family member then come together and I say you fi give Gary a kidney.
Marsha, why you no come down and go do it for Gary? Eh? Why you no come down and go do it? Me fi say cousin as much as you fi say cousin. And further on, none of you no call me and talk to me about the situation. You hear where you say the family member then come together and plan and say me I best one. Who know say me I best one? Let me tell you this, don't text back my lad phone and tell any one of them me say text me or diss them. The whole of them they are foreign and me no more there so. Look how much I want. Why none of you can do the surgery and help him? Why me? Why me? I me on choose for sacrifice. Why me? Eh? On a clad.
Watch him. Where you coming to come look for now, eh? Where you coming to come look for? 2 weeks ago, there's no grocery in here, sir.
Yo, easy now.
Don't tell me for easy. Go to the supermarket, go buy some food, some grocery or something.
You go
on with yourself, dude.
Tell me about it. Wait. Don't move. I watch the style. We're going to go on. Where are you? Sup, neighbor? I ease myself, just isn't me just normal every day. Yeah, badness. Go on.
When y'all being so far?
That's it. I'm so you got to work. God, brother, how much time for tell some stop? What's up there on my laptop? You see me I look on you?
You're man walkless! Hey girl, you're man walkless like! You're gay, hey girl, you're too walkless! Watch out, share that walkless man to them! What's it? Hey!
Nancy, every time I see you eat. Few chicken a day take the pain away. Girl, last night I see Monica at a party in a piece of boot there. Me think of me alone, fear. I thought she was from the Western world. And she see a man of a black say her man a chopper. You know, $3,000 boot. I'm not afraid to talk. You all our friend them mouth stink. But them name Sassy Gang. Sassy Gang. No to blood clot. Blame.
Wait. What them name?
Sassy Gang. Nothing but the brain. A top smile. That's why you know make me piece of my chicken KD braces. Girl, I don't know the_perfect_smile on Instagram. Right there, so.
Just clear the record. Where you gonna sing about? You don't know where you gonna sing about? Alright, you want to play the rhythm? Oh, alright, cool. Oh yeah, I want to the co-op that's supposed to fly right there. So wait, so I'm going. Yo, what you gonna say about the coke?
Yo, we're up on top of your house of found. Yo, the plane are crashing the dog.
The plane a what?
The plane just crashed with the coke. When I put it in my nose, sell it like sell me have a store. We had the plug, now they wanna charge phone. The plane just crashed with the coke. Plane just crashed with the coke.
Are you sure?
Hey, what's up, man? Let me go ahead and get a number 3 decaf. What kind of milk would you like with that? Yeah, I only drink almond milk. Can I get some almond milk?
Well, I never know. You just said you say you want almond milk?
Yeah.
Sure, Mr. Mark.
Yo!
Hear the man say?
What?
Man say you want every man milk to blood clot.
Hey, I didn't say. When did you hear me say that?
That I say you say you want almond milk.
Yeah,
oh.
almond milk.
Yeah, man, fish. Yo.
You want every man?
That him I say.
Dirty boy, that man.
Dirty boy for real, man. Yo, you have to come out of this in my youth. A coffee shop you there now. When I sell no milk from man over here.
Bono.
You have to move your bum buckler.
You have to move. But
No. Hey, you have to go next door in a
Well,
youth.
I'm
No,
so
hey,
confused.
listen to me, parrotfish.
What's wrong with
Snapper.
Look?
Escofish. You low body
What's
na
wrong with
brother.
that?
No, man. Kingfish.
You miss.
Jesus, the prince a come. The prince a come. Anastasia, Gisela, go and go put on the battery shots and crack up. The prince a come, the prince a come. Go on. Go on, people, go on. Get yourself together. Cinderella got on that chip. The prince a come, the prince a come. The prince a... Cinderella, come out of our business now. Come out now, I'm to you. You just, yeah, what, MC enough here? Prince a come, Gisela, go on, go on. The prince there, me not put on the lashes there, me. Jesus, Cinderella, pass the eyelash glue, Boy, Jesus Christ, me a blind. Yo, I mean, man, Prince, I was trying to live in a cracks by my step. I was trying to know. Make me know now, put your hand on the foot and make me know. Me not about bend down for nobody. Me can't believe me not put on my lashes. Oh, the cracks. Shit, you can't fit me to Papa Jesus. What a... Girl, take care of your foot. Mommy never teach us a young girl for your size. Jesus Christ. You can't fit me. You know, for me, I look for my cracks. More I got shot, me forgot shot barefoot because me never had myself to put on my foot. Thanks, sir. Mine. No man, thanks. Could I? Perfect fit.
Buffalo soldier, me a go rub the bumbo clatos, yeah. And me a go shot in a your rascal. Come me till you don't come back, yeah. So me a go back to the window. Come. No, my friend, yeah, he's a dead motherfucker.
Well, my youth. Good dog, let's look at your phone, dog. I use 1, 2, my youth. Soon come out there watching, dog. I'm not take long. Ah, do you think? Nah, what that? No, dog, I just look at boombox, my youth. It's not all that loud, dog. Listen to music. You see my dude? I'm not take long. Ah, bro, guy, now I'm 40, 39 good enough. Dog, what that? Oh, I just look at sound, dog. I'm not take long. Dog, what's that, dog? I'm not doing that one bag of nice video again like last time, dog. Plug in the box. So, buck you, and buck you. Wait a buck what? Well, Remo.
The plane just crashed with the coke. When I put it in my nose, sell it, like say me have a store. We had the plug, now they wanna charge for.
Bro!
The plane just crashed with the coke.
Dog, you good?
Plane just crashed with the coke.
So far, not bad. Not take long.
I'm here say yo big up all the dogs them in the party, you know. Yo coyote, that one you bad.
So don't even bother.
I'm here say me see gun finger there.
Respect people, mother. Flick a gear on my gun. Some up at the van.
We outside I'm not going.
Stop a Augustus. Real singer wagwan. In my bachelor's a jar. Give me a
ball. Boy, you over there look like handicap, so.
Like a woman nice on my guan. Big up my thugs at the yard. They know what show over dance.
Let me see gun finger them. Shoot them up, shoot them up.
No enough fan. Jump on my bike and dance.
Hey man, what's up? I'm thinking about redoing the floors in my house.
Alright, no problem. Were you thinking of tile, carpet?
I was thinking of doing hardwood actually. Do you guys have hardwood?
What? Brother, what you say? Hardwood? That you say?
Yes.
Mark!
Yo!
Hear the man say?
What?
Him want stiff cocky to blood clot.
Yo, when did you hear that?
So you know just say you want hardwood?
Yes.
Alright, so hardwood or what then? Yeah man, beat. That him I say.
Dirty boy that man.
Dirty boy for true man. Hey, you have to move your bumper clot in a brother. We sell hardware but we not sell no hardwood for you wear. See? No, hear what me I say no blowfish.
This is absurd.
You have to go next door in a brother. Hey, you still there? You're not listening us two fish. Leading star fish. Me tell us that we not sell no tip out over here.
Back.
Hear what me I say no blue crab. Muscle.
Hey bro, what's that one Jamaican word called again? We are talking about Bombarasclat. Yeah, that's what it's called. Bombarasclat. Bombarasclat.
Bombarasclat. Bombarasclat.
Hey bro.
What's up, bro?
Dumb Bombarasclat. That's why I'm gonna teach you Bumble Ass Class Run, you know, you move to Bumble Ass Class Extra.
I'm on my big full shit, ready to get it started. Bitch, I got no shit. Don't need a plug. Ride around with folk. Call me a coke. 24. Can't blow a hut no more. Dollar bitch.
Wash it.